So up here you got your game creator tab. It gives you settings. This is a welcome screen. You have some announcements from Marty. You got your general tab, which tells you the encryption for saving. You know, you'll deal with either a JSON file or player preferences. This is where you find it. And you got your audio. Also, I'll make a video on how to deal with audio mixers. And then if you have other modules like I do, I have abilities not made by game creator. Some of them will show up here, like abilities, factions. It's made by Jupiter. You got state machine made by Jupiter also, and so on. So here you also get updates tab. This is important because whenever game creator is updated, you get this button is gonna turn into update. And you click on it, you'll get it installed here. Checking this here will let you know when a version is not up to date. See, state machine. You see that there's an update. Basically sends me to this window here. Download the update. I want to import that. And you really want to go and see the updates, right? You really want to go through and check what are these updates, so you understand what has been fixed, what is going to be a feature that you can use to improve your workflow. Always verify the logs on these updates, and it will help you a lot to avoid questions. So you can see now it's all updated. All this is data, right? You barely are gonna need to go here. There's an update on the docs, so you can just hit that button. It'll update your PDF, and then you can check the docs. You got your game creator hub. This is a community library where you can find mostly custom built actions, instructions, conditions, triggers made by the community members and shared for you guys to use. For example, let's just say I want to see if somebody has made a sort of wandering instruction for my NPCs, and I just type wander. Type in the search bar, and then you get, then you see, okay, so I got 3 types of wander. You'll see that sometimes there's more than one with the same name. You ought to check that here. You see that there's a green check mark. That means that I already installed it, right? So what you do is just basically just kind of hit install, and it'll just install it for you, and then you can find it. It's as simple as that. So you get triggers, right? Instructions, conditions, and you just kind of check through here what you may need, and if somebody has been kind enough to upload it here, then you avoid a lot of work. One of the first things that I try to do before I go bananas trying to create a mechanic is to see if somebody already built it. Then this one right here is uninstall. When you're updating your game creator modules, you want to uninstall it, and then you want to reinstall it. Here's where you uninstall it, and then you go into your package manager, and then you download it and install it, and then you'll go back into the install window and reinstall it. This is the recommended way of updating.